So it's grabbing the left, right?
Yeah. Yay, nothing there.
It's probably teething. But the right is also good already. Let me see. Let me see the mouth. Open big. Open big. I'm sorry. How old is he now?
7 months.
7 months. Let me check you. Oh my. Hold on. Check and check. Tickles? Let's check your hips. This way. Don't pee on me, okay?
Smile.
Me like that.
So you just watch out.
Okay. So does he sit up already by himself?
No, he's trying. He's pretty
Trying?
close. Yeah, he's did like a little bit today. He just kind of fell forward.
Oh, that's okay.
But he wants to stand.
You're just a happy boy. Okay, you're getting your shots today.
He's just crawling everywhere.
Okay.
And he's probably getting up completely off the floor now, holding himself.
Okay, so we're gonna give the 6-month-old shots. Okay. This next one is 3 months from now, 9 months old. Gaining weight, getting so big, and getting long. Okay? Let's see if you're gonna laugh with the shots now.
Yeah, no kidding. The laughing.
Oh, someone is out. Make an appointment, okay? 3 months.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, bye.
God.
Do not give candy canes to the kids.
It's so loud, isn't it? God, the kid is so on drugs.
¿Qué pasó, Alex? ¿Qué pasó?
The sugar high coming down. Could you have more opposites? Oh my gosh, kids are back. Alright, I think he's done.
I don't think so. I don't think that's done, Alicia.
Huh?
I don't think that's done.
Crazy. It's soda sugar, isn't it?